This is the year 203. Little Japan is disappearing from the Earth at a speed visible to the naked eye. Because Little Japan discharged nuclear wastewater into the sea, the crust moved and an unprecedented earthquake occurred. All high-rise buildings collapsed and the land began to split. The death toll reached tens of millions, leaving many little Japanese homeless. This is not the end. The earthquake not only swept the city, but also the countryside. It can be seen how fragile people are in front of nature, so the little Japanese executives discussed going to China for help. As a result, the heavens did not want us to help. The plane encountered a volcanic eruption on the way. It hit the plane directly and accurately along the river. No little Japanese survived. Only a pile of plane wreckage was left. As Japan was about to disappear, the media rushed to calm people's hearts, hoping not to cause unrest. But at this time, another long-dormant volcano began to erupt. The air was filled with dust and the sky suddenly darkened, like a hungry demon, roaring to drag Japan into the 18th level of hell. Then, all parts of the country began to report the volcanic eruption. People began to shop lavishly, and the roads were jammed with cars. Except for the cars, everything was moving. Then the airport stopped operating, all flights were cancelled, and the airport was overcrowded, which also led to a sharp decline in the economy of small Japan. People went to the bank to withdraw their savings. Seeing that people were rioting, the government had no choice but to send the army to suppress the riot. The Prime Minister had to announce to the public that Japan would sink to the bottom of the sea in the near future. The Prime Minister believed that with Japan's good international image, many countries should help them through the difficulties. However, many countries refused directly. The national treasure had to be transported to the United States, hoping they would accept more citizens. The United States only accepted young women and did not want all of Xiaoba, the secretary told the Prime Minister. The secretary had no choice but to find a scientist to see if he had any way to save the scientist. The scientist said that there were many ways, but the inhuman Prime Minister did not listen. Now there was only one most dangerous way left, but it needed China's help to complete it. The earthquake still ravaged the city like a wild beast.